Ona salam alaikum my people. How na dey? Na the plenty many things wey still dey happen for this our country Nigeria na me I wan talk about so. For Egbuluka TV inside YouTube. The person wey dey hear im voice na Abdulrahim Benjamin Otuarikpo aka ABO aka Who Go Bear the Cat aka One Man Civil Defense aka African Megaskia. My brother, you know, yesterday after talking about how people dey thief money for this country, where I can cut some of them. Now one of their boys call me for phone. They warn me. You know why I do this video? Now the boy I warn now, I dey warn am back because he hide him phone number. They call me. He think say me, I be all those kind of people wey dey fear. Go tell that your boss where they thief money. Say that office wey in dey, they no send them there to go thief money for a selfish interest. Tell am say in dey there so that through him the land will be developed. Tell am say through him our educational system go get better stand. No be to send children go school for Ghana, Malaysia or India. Tell am say in dey there so that this land go develop, no be to thief money. I don't know why e be say our leaders, instead of them to do the work, now money them go just go they go thief. This money we una dey thief for this country, una dey carry and go heaven. Una think say this money una go carry and go, they go bury una with this money. But ma tell una something. If you don't ever thief money and you keep people in darkness, money that is meant for electricity, you steal am, and people are living in darkness. Like the way people are living in darkness in Ward 10 in Rivers State, and the way people are living in darkness in Tungamaji. My brother, if you don't ever thief money meant for electricity, my brother, leprosy go catch you. And your generation to come, now leprosy go worry them. Because as they make people suffer, when you they suffer people, now so your own suffer go dey. Because I don't know the reason why for this country, somebody go just enter office. You know, go think of to develop this land, not to just steal money. And the worst of it, when they don't steal this money finish, they carry their children go abroad, go to school. Or they carry them, go put for all this school where all these churches where collect people money build. Where the thing, now only for people who steal money, now you go fee carry their children go school there. And now very few people, or very few people will work hard for their money. Is that how it's supposed to be? And some of them they go church, some of them they go mosque. They go worship God. And on they steal money for this country. Why is it like that? My brother, more na change. My sister, more na change. We will they talk am because we know say that they steal money for this country. No be this country we did they tell us say monkey carry money come out. No be this country we did they say snake swallow money. No be this country we did somebody told us say him steal money but say him vice steal pass am. No be this country we dey hear that they prove somebody will steal money. Every now and then you go dey hear for newspaper say people they steal money. Why is it like that in Nigeria? I beg make una change, I beg. Make una change. ABO don't talk in own. African Megaskia go continue to the talk. Wanna change.